Welcome to another Civil Vision production. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to help Civil Vision keep growing and producing bigger, better content. Now, let's get started. Concrete, steel, soil. For centuries, civil engineers have shaped the world around us with these materials, but now there's a new material entering the equation: data. This is how artificial intelligence is transforming civil engineering. From design to construction to maintenance, AI is giving civil engineers powerful tools to build safer, faster, smarter, and with more sustainability than ever before. Traditionally, civil engineers rely on deterministic methods for structural analysis, but now AI tools can process thousands of design permutations using machine learning and optimization algorithms. Take generative design. Engineers input parameters like load, wind conditions, material strengths, and local codes. The AI produces optimal layouts that minimize material use while maintaining structural integrity. Finite element analysis, FEA, is also being enhanced by AI, which identifies stress concentration zones and suggests reinforcement strategies, reducing both over-engineering and risk. AI is making construction sites more efficient and safer. Using computer vision, AI systems analyze camera feeds to monitor progress, detect unsafe behavior, and ensure compliance with safety standards. Drones equipped with LiDAR and photogrammetry map terrain and monitor excavation work. These inputs feed into AI-powered progress models, alerting project managers when timelines deviate. Labor deployment, equipment scheduling, and material flow can also be optimized using reinforcement learning, significantly cutting down idle time and cost overruns. Civil infrastructure ages, and with it comes the risk of failure. AI helps engineers stay ahead. Smart sensors embedded in bridges, dams, and tunnels feed real-time data on stress, temperature, humidity, and vibration. AI models detect anomalies and predict when components are likely to degrade or fail, enabling predictive maintenance before costly repairs or disasters occur. Instead of relying solely on periodic manual inspections, AI systems conduct continuous health monitoring, especially useful for hard-to-reach or high-risk structures. Transportation engineers use AI to model and manage urban mobility. Machine learning algorithms process traffic sensor data, GPS, and social patterns to optimize signal timings, predict congestion, and enhance route planning. AI won't replace civil engineers, it will elevate them. The intuition and ethics of human judgment will always guide design. But with AI, engineers will act faster, predict more accurately, and solve problems once thought impossible. If you're passionate about the future of infrastructure and want to stay ahead in the AI-powered era of civil engineering, subscribe and join us. This is where concrete meets code, and the future is under construction.